we explore the intersection of guns and free speech in the digital age. The inventor of the first 3D printed gun, Cody Wilson, filed a lawsuit against the U.S. Department of State for taking down his digital files from the internet, claiming that the government violated his free speech rights. The State Department cited Cold War-era regulations concerning international traffic in arms to force the files offline, but Wilson argued that he only posted a file type with digital content, which is essentially just a series of ones and zeros. The case raises interesting questions about the difference between a physical gun and a digital model of a gun. When a gun can be rendered in a weightless, infinitely malleable, portable, and reproducible file, it becomes part of the realm of ideas. To invent it, change it, and share it is no different from inventing, changing, and sharing any other idea, and it is a human right protected by the First Amendment. Wilson's CAD files migrated to 1,000 other places online, and millions of downloads took place, making a mockery of government restrictions on production controls, consumer regulations, trade barriers, patents, taxes, and other forms of government control. This digital migration raises important questions about the efficacy of government control in the digital age. Government attempts to control the digital world amount to an intervention in fundamental civil liberties such as speech that nearly everyone believes must be protected. The tension between regulating the economy while leaving civil liberties intact will pose a challenge to both the American left and right. Wilson's gun was designed to underscore the point that if you try to control the internet, you are attempting to control people in ways that are unconscionable. He is a student of the libertarian tradition, and his passions are fundamentally with the cause of human liberty. He is not a gun nut, so much as a human rights nut, and matters are playing out exactly as he had hoped. As the digital revolution continues, the more we become aware of just how outmoded our systems of government control really are. Government is a uniquely analog institution, and in the digital age, it experiences a loss of control, becoming ineffective, outmoded, and obsolete. Inner contradictions begin to reveal themselves. In conclusion, the case of Cody Wilson and his 3D printed gun raises important questions about the intersection of guns and free speech in the digital age. The migration of physical objects to the digital world challenges our existing systems of government control, and the tension between regulating the economy while leaving civil liberties intact poses a challenge to both the American left and right. Subscribe Libertarian Facts.